More and more vehicles are using our roads. This results in increasing demands for reliable registration and detection systems, while automated traffic monitoring demands secure, unequivocal vehicle identification. One particularly convenient, reliable solution is the radio frequency identification plate called IDE plate, developed by Tönnies. IDE plate combines fraud-resistant identification technology with RAIN RFID chip technology. IDE plate is supplemented by IDE sticks, a holographic windshield sticker. Mobile and stationary readers can be used to retrieve and verify the data stored in IDE plate and IDE sticks, with readers, for example, at road bridges, or in future also implanted in the road. The IDE Trust software solution guarantees secure transfer of the encrypted data to authorized bodies. The RAIN RFID technology used in the systems operates with radio communication. It works regardless of the weather, and in contrast to conventional camera-based vehicle detection, it needs no visual contact. Unambiguous vehicle identification is therefore warranted in any case, even when vehicles are traveling in convoy, changing lane, or driving at high speeds of up to 250 km/h. The use of IDE plate and IDE sticks enhances traffic safety and makes it harder to steal vehicles and number plates. Vehicle registration authorities and tax offices also benefit from reliable data and enhanced revenues. Precise detection of traffic flows is also indispensable for future-oriented infrastructure planning. IDE plate and IDE sticks, our solution for vehicle identification and verification, to make the roads safer.